Hi everyone, I'm Heather from Woolly Elephant. I've got yet another box subscription come to do, another unboxing. I fancied trying out a couple of different things. This one's called Boxcitement. This one's £16 a month and it's supposed to have little things like stationery, jewellery, bits and pieces in. I wanted something a bit different. I had the beauty box, the glossy box, and thought I'd give this one a try. So I thought you might like to see this unboxed and unbox it along with me. Put you down at the table. So this is how it comes, which is quite exciting. And the theme of the box is out of this world. This looks like a bit of a space theme, which is quite cool. It says, "Hello Heather, thank you so much for joining Boxcitement. I hope you all love your goodies. Every item is produced in limited quantities by us, often hand finished and always totally unique. Each month you renew, you will gain loyalty points which can be redeemed for some fab extra gifts too. Welcome, Deb." So Boxcitement. I've got to admit I've been quite excited at the prospect of this one because it's something a little bit different. So here goes. And I think we're on a space theme already. Look at that. That's an astronaut brooch. A unicorn astronaut brooch. I think it was worth the money just to get that. That is so cute. That's going to be going on my lanyard at work along with my other pin badges. My space. This looks like a ceramic star or something to that effect. It's shiny and it's quite heavy. Looks like something that you would hang ornament. It's got a bead on one end. But if you like space things, I know a certain somebody would like all this space themed type things. My grandson will be really impressed. So, and then in there it says, "I need some space. Brighten up your space with this ceramic decoration created exclusively for Boxcitement." So that was your star. Now there's a little box packet here that says "Out of This World" on. Shakes a bit. Don't know what's in there. Let's have a look. It's like being a kid at Christmas. Oh, it looks like a necklace. A beaded necklace. I suppose that could be like a planet. That's quite nice. Semi-precious gemstone planet pendant created exclusively for Boxcitement. So that's quite sweet on a gold-coloured chain. That's quite pretty. Quite like that. And then we've got Reach for the Stars. Glow in the dark. Excellent. Glow in the dark stars. I might have to put them up on me on my unit at the side with little sticky pads to stick them on. Then this looks like gift wrap. Teddy bear astronaut gift wrap. I think I'm going to save that and use that for my grandson's birthday. He's 7 in July, so that would be ideal for wrapping up his present in. And this one says, "You are not alone." So what's in here? This looks like a pen. There we are, a pen that says "You are not alone" on it. So that's really nice. It's quite a weighty pen, that, as well. It doesn't feel like a cheap, nasty one. So I'm quite pleased with that. That's really good. So for £16, I've got a pen, the glow-in-the-dark stars. If I don't use them, they'll go to one of my grandsons. A cute little necklace. A ceramic MySpace star. Might have to hang that outside my craft room on the door. And the little pin badge. And the wrapping paper. I think that's a bargain, that for £16. So I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. I'm really, really pleased with that. Thanks, Boxcitement. I look forward to getting my next one.